Using technology, draw graphs of y equals x squared, y equals 2x squared, y equals 3x squared, and y equals negative x squared, and sketch the graphs below. What do you notice? Well, let's do the sketching and then let's see what we notice. So I'm going to use the class pad and I'm going to go to Graph and Table. And it's a good idea just to clear anything that's there at the moment. So I'm going to put x squared in to the first one. And then I'm going to put 2x squared. And the color coding tells me what color my graph will be when I actually draw it. And then I'm going to have 3x squared. So that's going to be the green one. And then we've got negative x squared. Now when I graph, it should graph all of them down here. Now the fact they haven't come up is probably because I just have the wrong view window. So if I go to here, and what I'm going to do is just go negative 10 to 10 for my x's, and for my y's, I'm going to do negative 30 up to 30. If I OK that, I should get all of the graphs, and you can see them just there. So, the x squared, I'm going to draw like this. So we should always label things. So that one is y is x squared. And then I can see the red one is the 2x squared. I'll do that in orange because I've got orange handy. That sort of goes steeper, like this. And then the 3x squared is steeper again, but it's closer to the 2x squared by the looks of it. They should go flat at the bottom here. They should all have their vertices at the origin. So they should all be going through the origin there. That's y equals 3x squared. And then finally, I'll do the negative x squared, which goes like this. And you should notice that that one there is a reflection of x squared in the x-axis. So this one is y is negative x squared. Now what do we notice about y is x squared, y is 2x squared, and y is 3x squared? Well, they're all the same sort of shape, but the orange and green ones are stretched compared to the blue one. Now it may look like they're actually squashed this way, but in actual fact it's vertical. This point here, the corresponding point here, is twice as far away from the x-axis, and on this one it's 3 times as far away because it's 3 times x squared. So whatever the x value is here, let's say it's 2. That means that this point here would be at 2, 4, because its y is x squared, 2 squared is 4. Now this point here would be at 2, 8, because you do 2 times 2 squared. And this one here would be at 2, 12, because it's 3 times 2 squared.